Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start right away by waking the phone and placing your finger at the very top edge of the screen. You're aiming for the status bar, that thin strip with time and icons. Once done, swipe downward in a steady motion, don't jab. If you have a large phone, use two hands, thumb pulls while the other steadies. You feel a slight resistance, then the notification shade appears. This first pull reveals quick alerts and the condensed notification tray. Now that the shade is visible, you need to expand it fully. Swipe down a second time from the visible tray to reveal quick settings and detailed notifications. You can tap any notification to open its app, or swipe it left or right to dismiss. Hold and drag for advanced options. Make sure to use two fingers to pull quick settings faster. Once expanded, toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Do Not Disturb with single taps, and long press icons for deeper. To finish, simply swipe the notification shade up to close it, or tap any blank area on the home screen. If the pull fails, restart the device first. That clears temporary touch glitches. Make sure your screen protector isn't lifting at the top edge, and check that one hand or gesture navigation settings aren't intercepting the swipe. If issues persist, disable accessibility gestures temporarily, then retry. This resolves most problems and gets your notification.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.